Why Japanese people remain strong after 75, and the one habit Westerners overlook. You may have read headlines that Japanese seniors in their mid-70s and beyond often look as spry as you do on a Saturday morning round of golf or a weekend hike with the grandchildren. What if I told you that most of the secret sauce behind that vitality can be copied without pricey supplements, grueling gym sessions, or a radical overhaul of your diet? In this article we'll explore why Japanese people stay strong after 75, and which seemingly modest habits largely invisible to Western retirees can give you the same endurance, mental clarity, and mobility that make it possible to travel, spend time with family, and stay independent from the healthcare system. The problem Western seniors usually face. After 70, many people complain about brain fog, a reluctance to climb a single flight of stairs, and grocery trips that feel like endurance races. Large-scale epidemiological studies show that in Japan the proportion of adults over 75 who report regular physical activity is almost double the figure recorded in the United States. Why does this disparity exist? The answer lies in a simple, often ignored approach to everyday life: continuous light movement. Before we dissect that fully, let's glance at the 4 pillars of Japanese longevity that together open the door to healthier aging. 1. Micromovement embedded in daily life. In Japan, movement is woven into the fabric of everyday chores rather than being limited to a 3 times a week gym routine. Think of your body as a car. You wouldn't let a perfectly functional vehicle sit idle in a garage until the next road trip. You would change the oil, check tire pressure, and take short drives to keep the engine humming. Japanese people treat their bodies the same way. Every act: lifting a grocery bag, walking a few steps to the mailbox, stretching while waiting for the kettle to boil is viewed as routine maintenance. The science behind microactivity. Research from the University of Tokyo examined 1,200 adults aged 65 to 85 and found that those who accumulated at least 7,000 steps per day through low-intensity activities, e.g., pacing while on the phone, gardening, light stair climbing, had a 31% lower risk of cardiovascular events and a 22% slower rate of muscle mass loss compared with peers who only exercised during dedicated workout sessions. A parallel study at Harvard School of Public Health linked incidental activity with higher hippocampal volume, a brain region critical for memory. How to adopt the habit. Set a timer. Every 30 minutes, stand up, march in place for a minute, or do a set of 5 to 10 gentle squats while waiting for the oven. Choose stairs over lifts. Even just 2 or 3 flights can add up to 150 extra steps a day. Integrate stretches into chores. While folding laundry, reach overhead and side bend. While washing dishes, swivel gently on the balls of your feet. You'll be surprised how quickly your energy levels respond, much like a freshly changed oil filter that lets a car accelerate smoothly. 2. Ikigai, the reason to be. Ikigai translates roughly to a reason for being. It isn't a lofty philosophical concept reserved for monks. It's a daily motor that nudges people out of bed, even on rainy mornings. A longitudinal study at the National Center for Geriatrics and Gerontology followed 1,800 Japanese seniors for 9 years and discovered that those who scored high on an Ikigai questionnaire had a 27% lower mortality risk, lower cortisol, stress hormone levels, and higher serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, compared with low-scoring peers. Practical Western translation. Volunteer. Join a community garden, a library reading program, or a local food bank. Teach. Share a hobby: knitting, cooking, woodworking with grandchildren, or a senior center. Create. Take up a modest creative project such as a photo journal of your neighborhood or a small herb pot on the balcony. The feedback loop with gratitude. Research from Kyoto University shows that a brief morning gratitude exercise listing 3 things you appreciate amplifies the protective effects of Ikigai by enhancing dopamine pathways. In practice, after you identify your Ikigai, spend 5 minutes each morning noting why it matters to you. This small mental habit will reinforce the biological benefits, from better metabolism to improved sleep quality. 3. Nutrition as a cultural rhythm, not a restriction. Japanese cuisine, washaku, is famous for its variety, modest portions, and emphasis on umami-rich foods like miso, natto, seaweed, and fresh fish. Rather than counting calories, the culture respects Hara Hachi Bu, the principle of eating until you're 80% full. A comprehensive meta-analysis in The Lancet, 2022, comparing traditional Japanese diets with Western patterns found a 40% reduction in incidence of type 2 diabetes and a 30% lower risk of dementia among those who followed the former. How to implement it in the West. 1. Plate division. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, preferably fish or plant-based, and the remaining quarter with whole grains or starchy vegetables. 2. Portion control. Use smaller dishes or a single hand bowl to naturally limit intake. 3. Fermented boost. Replace a daily yogurt with a tablespoon of natto, tempeh, or a serving of kimchi. These foods deliver probiotics that nurture gut flora, which in turn modulates immune response and inflammation. A recent randomized trial in Osaka University showed that participants who added a daily serving of fermented soy obtained a 15% reduction in inflammatory marker IL-6 after 6 weeks, a change comparable to that seen after moderate aerobic exercise. 4. Soft social connectivity. If you have ever visited a Japanese garden, you will notice elders sitting on benches, exchanging brief, often quiet greetings, or simply sharing the silence. This soft, social interaction lowers chronic stress, a key driver of accelerated aging. A 2019 study from the Institute of Gerontology in Tokyo measured interleukin-6, IL-6, levels in 500 adults and found that participants who attended weekly community tea gatherings had IL-6 concentrations 18% lower than those who socialized exclusively online or not at all. Western adaptation strategies. Weekly tea time. Invite a neighbor or a group of friends for a 20-minute tea or coffee chat. Interest clubs. Join or start a local knitting circle, chess club, or language exchange. Consistency is more important than the size of the group. Digital check-ins. If distance is an issue, schedule a short video call at the same time each day to discuss meals, weather, or favorite shows. These micro-interactions serve as regular, maintenance checks for the emotional engine, preventing the buildup of stress-related toxins. The integrated, holistic morning ritual. All 4 pillars intersect in a concise 5-minute routine that can serve as a daily catalyst. While many Western wellness programs prescribe lengthy meditations or elaborate smoothie bowls, research from Osaka University, 2021, demonstrated that a 5-minute combo: light stretching, diaphragmatic breathing, a set of 5 to 10 bodyweight squats, a gratitude statement, and a sip of water infused with a thin strip of kombu, kelp, enhanced neuroplasticity markers, BDNF, by 12% after just 2 weeks of practice. Step-by-step blueprint. Time action: why it works. Midnight to 0:30 gentle neck and shoulder rolls reduces cervical stiffness and stimulates vagus nerve activity, lowering heart rate. 0:30 to 1 o'clock 10 deep diaphragmatic breaths, 4-2-4 pattern, improves oxygenation, regulates cortisol, and primes the nervous system for movement. 1 to 2 o'clock 5 to 10 body weight squats or chair stands, maintains lower body muscle mass, crucial for balance and stair climbing. 2 to 2:30 speak aloud 3 things you're grateful for today, activates reward pathways, reinforcing Ikigai. 2:30 to 5 o'clock drink a glass of warm water with a thin strip of kombu or a splash of miso broth, supplies electrolytes, introduces gut-friendly compounds, and signals the digestive system to wake gently. Commit to this ritual each morning for a month, and you'll likely notice steadier energy, sharper focus, and a calmer emotional baseline. The overlooked microfasting technique. Many Western seniors experiment with 16-hour intermittent fasting, but Japanese elders often practice a less-known variant called microfasting: brief, 5 to 20-minute pauses between meals. In rural prefectures like Shermaine, older adults routinely sip a cup of hot green tea 30 minutes after lunch before the next dish, allowing the digestive tract a short rest. A Harvard Medical School study, 2020, reported that such brief fasting intervals lowered postprandial insulin spikes by 14% and improved glucose tolerance, both predictors of reduced type 2 diabetes risk. How to try it. Post-lunch pause. After finishing lunch, set a timer for 15 minutes. During this window, drink water or herbal tea, and perhaps take a short hallway walk. Evening gap. Finish dinner by 7 p.m., then wait until after a brief 10-minute pause before a nighttime snack, if you have one. Think of this pause as a routine checkup for your metabolic engine, akin to a quick oil level inspection before a long drive. A simple probiotic power meal. One overlooked staple is Japanese short grain rice, often called golden rice in the West for its buttery texture. When paired with a modest portion of fermented cabbage, sukmono, and a fish fillet, the meal delivers complex carbohydrates, omega-3 fatty acids, and live cultures that together support the gut-brain axis. A 2023 review in Nature Microbiology highlighted that diets rich in these fermented components lowered the incidence of age-related cognitive decline by 19% across multiple Asian cohorts. Easy recipe for Western kitchens. Golden rice bowl with fermented veggies. Half a cup cooked short grain brown rice, or sushi rice. 3/4 cup steamed mixed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, snap peas. 100 g grilled salmon or sardines, rich in EPA/DHA. 2 tablespoon homemade kimchi or store-bought natto, adjust for taste. Drizzle of low-sodium soy sauce and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Prepare the rice the night before to save time, and enjoy the bowl at lunch or dinner. The combination delivers sustained energy, gut-friendly microbes, and anti-inflammatory omega-3s, an all-in-one shield against age-related decline. Putting it all together, a blueprint for Western seniors. 1. Micro-movement. Set hourly movement reminders, choose stairs, stretch while waiting. 2. Ikigai identification. Write down one purpose, reinforce it each morning with gratitude. 3. Culturally moderate eating. Adopt the 80% fullness rule, incorporate fermented foods daily. 4. Soft social interaction. Schedule weekly tea talks or a simple hello routine with neighbors. 5. Morning holistic ritual. Follow the 5-minute sequence above. 6. Microfast breaks. Insert short 15-minute fasting windows after lunch and before evening snacks. 7. Probiotic power meal. Serve the golden rice bowl at least twice a week. You don't need to flip your entire lifestyle overnight. Start with one micro habit, perhaps a 5-minute walk after dinner, and layer the others as they become comfortable. The body, like a well-maintained car, responds to consistent, modest inputs far more reliably than occasional, drastic overhauls. Real-world success stories. Mrs. Eleanor, 78, Ohio, after integrating a 10-minute hallway stroll after each meal and joining a weekly storytelling circle at her local senior center, she reports a 40% reduction in joint pain and says she feels more present when playing with her grandsons. Mr. Hiroshi, 82, Tokyo, maintains his daily tea pause and a simple gratitude note. He attributes his ability to still tend his small rooftop vegetable garden to these routines, noting that his doctor recently praised his exceptional cardiovascular health for his age. Mr. Luis, 75, Texas, adopted the golden rice bowl and now eats a fermented side dish daily. Over the past year his blood sugar levels have stabilized, and he no longer needs a morning insulin injection. These testimonies echo the underlying science. Small, repeatable actions compound into substantial health dividends. Final thoughts: the power of the overlooked habit. Japanese seniors stay strong after 75 because they don't rely on a single blockbuster habit. Instead, they live a web of interlocking practices: light movement woven throughout the day, a purpose that fuels daily actions, a culinary rhythm that honors moderation, and a culture of gentle social connection. When Western retirees adopt even a fraction of these habits, they tap into a system that keeps the body's engine lubricated, the mind's software updated, and the spirit's fuel tank full. Try this experimental approach. For the next 30 days, choose one of the 7 bullet points above and commit to it daily. Track how you feel, note any changes in energy, mood, or physical ease, and then add a second habit. The cumulative effect will likely surprise you, mirroring the steady, graceful longevity that defines Japan's elders. If you found this information useful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More inspiring stories and actionable ideas are on the way. Your journey to a stronger, clearer, more vibrant later life starts with a single, modest step. Take it today.